In front of me is Motorola Moto S50 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that location is off. To turn it on, tap on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into settings, tap on location here and manage it by tapping on this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!